Today's January 23rd. It's about 20 some odd degrees outside. Let's do it again. I think it's at about 24, 25 outside. In here is probably around 30-ish. Stock battery. Let's try it. Nope. Nothing plugged in, radio not plugged, my USB port not plugged in. It's not even turning. See that? Check that out. I bet you it's a bad switch. Look at this. Look at this. Nothing. What the f... That's new. Never seen that before. The battery was fully charged. Try it again. Oh. Again. Dead. Let's try it again. This is nuts. And nothing else new here. Jesus Christ almighty. This sucks. So I guess it's just a question of when I sell it now. Oh, that sounded great. And that's that. I'm done.